Better. Breathing.
Rise and shine, sleepyheads. You missed breakfast.
Go away.
First time I've ever seen you sleep in so late. What gives?
I froze solid in the night and finally just thawed.
What? It was like a swamp sauna in here. Maybe Sprig just needs another blanket.
Or maybe it needs fewer blankets.
Or maybe...
No, couch is still free in case there's trouble in paradise.
No way. It's no trouble.
Yeah, we're the best roommates in the history of roommates.
Spread against the world! After you, best roomie.
Why, thank you, also best roomie.
They're gonna eat each other alive.
Oh, absolutely.
Ew. Is that my shirt?
Hey, Pop, how much longer you think? Tonight?
Not a chance.
Oh, let me help. You know my underwater sight is better than yours. Eh?
That's a bunch of malarkey. My eyesight's fine. Who's that, Sprig? Anyway, don't you have chores to do?
Hey, Hop Pop, what's the ETA on things down here? You know, not that I'm in a hurry to move back in or whatever. What? I'm just curious. A girl can't ask about her flooded makeshift bedroom without getting grilled? Sheesh.
Wow, what a long day. Going straight to bed if I can get there without tripping over all these dirty clothes.
Yeah, I think it's your wet towels on the ground that'll get in your way.
I can leave my towels on the floor of my room.
What was that?
Oh, nothing, best roomie. Anyways, good night.
Aww. Hey, Sprig, would you rather have a splinter you can never get out, or get bit by a giant mosquito once a day forever? Hey, Sprig.
What, Ann?
Pillow fight!
No, wait, stop!
Oh no, your doll. I mean, action figure. Spraying against the world, right?
I have to go to the bathroom.